Hey, so here's a quick demo on using Pmfm.ai. Pmfm.ai is a platform for creating custom personalized AI apps. And as you can see, here's some examples of the apps created with the platform. So as a new user, you should first sign up. And once you've done that, you will have access to this dashboard page. Now over here, you can click on this Create App button to create your very first custom AI app. So now you will see this app creation interface. And over here, let's just build something together, something very simple for this demo. So let's start with a name. So I will be building a learning app. So let's call it GPT-4 learning app. And this will be an app that will help others with learning using the GPT-4o model. So I'll select that. And for the display name, I'll just write GPT-4o learning app. The description can be something like a learning platform powered by GPT-4o. And then in the prompt, I already have this filled out. And in the welcome message, you could put a welcome message if you want, like supposing welcome app, but I'm not going to. And then you can disable login so that users won't have to authenticate with their email. And the next thing I'm going to show you is design. So we have three different themes: LA traditional, Oslo. Traditional looks like this. Oslo looks like this. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and pick traditional, and I'm going to use a background color. And you can play around with it so that you can pick something that you like. And then you can also change the font, so you can do this. And if you want to select, or say, a user profile picture, you can add it over here. And then you can add conversation starters. So I'm going to add two of them. So I'm going to say something like, teach me about AI, for example, and help me understand something. So just something to help your users. The next thing you can also add is like a landing page. And the landing page can have different themes, but for this one, I'm not going to be adding a landing page. The next thing you can add is monetization. So monetization works by selling chat credits. So for example, if you want your users to pay for talking with this your AI app, then you could say something like, I'm going to let you use my AI app for up to 100 chats, and for that you'll have to pay me $10. So that's how monetization works. So I'm going to keep that disabled, and you can also give some free chats if you like for each user. So to each user, I'll just give 20 free chats. And then you can also add like a knowledge base, so I don't think that's needed for this one. And here's some more options, like adding an access code for your app, or changing the display language, or enabling the text to appear from right to left, or turning off. So you can play around with it. You can also add like a white label link, so you can change the powered by PMFM to something else, powered by your website, and you can add your own link, your own support email. Yeah. So that's how it works, and then you can check how it looks on different devices. And then once you're done with it, you can click on this Create App option, and then it will say Successfully Created AI App. So now to test this, you can click on this Test button, and over here you'll notice this is the testing URL. So I'm just gonna test this. So I'm gonna say something like Teach me about AI, and this is how it works. And as you can see, I have 19 credits left. I didn't enable monetization, but if I had, then I would have like a buy credits button. Great. So it's working just like how we prompted it to work. So you can change that, you can edit it, and it will work just how you want it to work. And then once I launch this, so let's say, are you sure your pass? So once I launch this, I can also access it as a subdomain to pmfm.ai. So what I mean by that is I could do something like gp4learningapp.pmfm.ai. And yeah, and then users have to log in to use it, and I can also use it over here. So I'm already logged in here, that's why the button's already up here. But yeah, so that's how it works. And there is like another option too, where you can grant someone credits for your app. So GPT-4 Learning app, you can actually give them some credits so that they can actually use your app, and then you just keep giving them more if you want. Or you can add monetization, and then they will be able to pay for it. And monetization works this Stripe, so it's pretty simple and secure. You just need to add your Stripe account as a new user, and you should be able to monetize it. One last thing I want to show is that you can actually embed or publish your apps. Embedding is simply using an iframe that you can add to anywhere, your website or any place where you can embed an iframe. And the second thing is a publish option. So here's something we provide. We can host your app on custom domains. So you can provide us your domain, and then we'll just give you back the NS records that you can configure. And for this one, if you're not sure, we have a dedicated video tutorial to guide you with that process. So yeah, that's all. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.